How are you describing water to be a discovery or invention? It already
So
exists.
it is already exists, so we cannot say anything means invention or discoveries.
No.
I'm from Jharkhand, ma'am.
Okay. A wonderful place. I've heard about it.
Yes. Where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Maharashtra.
You are from Maharashtra. Okay, nice. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
It's nice to meet you as well.
Yeah.
All right. So shall we begin?
Yeah, we can start, ma'am. No problem.
So apparently today's topic is inventions and discoveries.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right. So would you like to go with the topic of invention and discoveries, or would you like to change the topic and talk about something else?
No, we can talk about discovery and invention, ma'am. That is a good topic, I think.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So inventions and discoveries. So apparently you understand what inventions and discoveries are, right?
Yes, yes. I know discovery and invention means, yeah, ma'am.
So according to you, which was the most unique or appealing discovery or invention made in science? Which was the most uh, amazing discovery which was made in science?
Discovery, okay, or invention means you're talking about.
You can talk about first we'll go with like discovery, then we'll see if in case we can, then we'll talk about invention.
Okay, so discovery, I think, um, I think we have discovered about interesting thing means, right, ma'am? You are asking about
Anything that is
interest.
that has interested you,
Okay.
that got your attention.
Mhm. Okay. So many things we have discovered, like uh, uh, to-
You can talk about invention if discoveries is difficult.
okay, if you talk about invention, so yeah, invention. I think I have we have invented about a bulb. So that is a good thing about thing. Bulb
Mm.
is a inventing is a good thing, because if we haven't if we did not find if we did not invent the bulb, so then we have been facing maybe we face problem.
We could have faced a lot of problems.
Yeah, we face lots of problems.
Okay. First, we try to understand the difference between discovery and invention.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Discovery is like finding something which already exists, but it is not known to the world. For example, we can say the discovery of Amazon forest. If in case we were the nomads, imagine if in case we were the nomads and all of a sudden we found the Amazon forest, we are discovering. Okay.
Amazon
For
forest,
example,
yes, yes.
yes. For example, for example, do you know about Columbus? He was in these. He was going on a voyage of in search of India, but instead he landed up with America. I think that is the story, right? So what
Yes,
he did was he discovered America. He
he
discovered a
discovered.
place which already existed. He wished to see that.
Yes,
Okay? That is discovery. And when it comes to invention, invention is something that does not exist, but it over time it was invented through science, through mathematics, through various other things. All right. For example, the discovery of wheels, the discovery of fire, this it did not exist as such, but over time it was invented through applications of science and many more things. So according to you, yes, bulb was invented. And if in case you ask me like what was the amazing discovery that had happened over time, then for me discovering is I firstly it's a very new topic. I wouldn't give it a thought. I haven't given it a thought, but otherwise it's like if in case you will ask me, Then for me, discovery would be like discovering all the new forest areas
Mhm.
and all the new type of species which still exist. They are like mostly in the scientific columns. You find that most of the species they still are discovering which existed over time, but yet have not yet been explored. So that is something which interests me, the Discovery Channel and all. Not channel, but that section of Discovery, something related to species, new species, and all. Also, like ancient discoveries, for example, like how most of the archaeologists they try to figure out something from the bones and the remains leftovers of the past. So that is discovery. They're trying to figure out something. They're trying to make up a story, right? That is something
Yeah.
that.
According to you, mm, according to you, ma'am, means which discovery is interesting for you?
Yeah, I did mention this discoveries of new places,
New
the
places.
discovery of
Okay.
new species, new
Okay.
animals. It already exists.
Okay. Okay. So discovery means already something we have something existed, but we have discovered, right?
It was not
Discovery
known,
means
and we have
already,
discovered.
yeah, already but that thing that existed already, but now we have discovered. Invention means something uh, did not exist earlier, but now we are creating new things, right? Now we are creating new things, so that we call inventing, right? Just like
True,
bulb.
true.
Yeah, yeah, just like bulb I have said you, and telephone, computer, that is inventing, right, man?
Yes. That's technology. Yes, that's all invention.
Yeah. So if you talk about, I think bulb, so James Thomas, I think Thomas Alva Edison, he invented
Hmm.
bulbs, right, man? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Many thing
Thomas
means
Alva Edison.
yes, Thomas Alva Edison, yeah. So bicycle and motorcycle, it all are inventing.
Invention. Yes.
It is inventing. Oh yeah, okay. And discover means something already existed, like a
Yeah.
planet, like planet we can say.
Yes. Yes. True.
Yeah, in our there's a eight planet. So we have discovered it, right, man?
Yes. True.
Planet. Okay. And what about fire? Fire also we have discovered it.
No, fire we have invented. Fire as
Fire.
such did not exist, okay, unless and until it was forest fire or something. But making of fire was not invented. It was
Okay.
again through accident.
Okay.
Making of fire was not known. Okay, it is
Okay.
a natural process. You strike two stones and fire is created. You're inventing. You get to know how to make fire.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that's invention. It's not a discovery.
All right. What about water, ma'am? Water is
Water,
invention or discoveries?
water exists
Water.
already. It's not even invention. It's how can you make water?
So it is a discovery, right?
How are you describing water to be a discovery or invention? It already
So,
exists.
so it is already exists. So we cannot say anything means invention or discoveries.
No, it exists and it is known. For discovery to happen, it should exist and it should not be known. But water
Okay.
exists and it is known.
All right. So uh, so what is the water? So it is
It's neutral.
inventing.
It's nothing. It's not invention. It's not discovering. Water is, if in
Oh,
case in water you happen to be exploring a new sea, okay, if in
okay.
case you find a new type of ocean or a new type of lagoon or a new type of pool, so
Mhm.
in that case you can say that yes, this kind of lagoon has been explored, this kind of ocean has been discovered, this kind
Ocean.
of
Okay.
sea has been discovered. But unless and until otherwise it's not a new it's not a new discovery.
Okay.
For example, you might have heard about the Bermuda Triangle.
No, I haven't heard.
Okay. So Bermuda Triangle, after the session, go and Google it up. It's a very interesting story. All right.
Okay.
So Bermuda Triangle, it exists amidst the ocean. It exists
Okay.
in the ocean. Okay.
Mhm.
So how did they come to know about the Bermuda Triangle? It is quite an interesting and mysterious story to look up in the you Google it up. So apparently it's a story wherein it explains a certain phenomena which occurs on the ocean. Now why is it happening? They did some research and they figure it out. That is a discovery. Bermuda Triangle is a discovery. It was not
Bermuda
known.
Triangle.
They experienced,
Mhm.
yes, they experienced something and then it is like they experience something and they are coming up with conclusions. They're coming up with theories. That is discovery. Something which is not known, but you're finding it. You found
Yes.
it. That is a
Yeah.
discovery.
Yes. Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear, ma'am. It has clear.
Would
Yeah.
it has been clear.
Yes.
So I think like we've taken a lot of time from the session. So I'll just give you a quick feedback. Is that all right?
Yeah, you can give me feedback.
Okay. So apparently, Mohammed, what I felt is like you're quite a good speaker. You can speak fluently. You can speak confidently. That's nice. But there are few grammatical errors you tend to make, especially focusing on the tenses part. Okay. And
Okay.
besides that, you also need to work on your pronunciation
Mm-hmm.
because your pronunciation of various words is not apt, all right,
Okay.
or else you pronounce it incorrectly.
Okay.
So work on your pronunciation, work on your tenses, also work on your vocabulary.
Okay. I will think about and I will do that. I will work about that.
Yeah. So apparently, I think that you might have had a lot many sessions with us looking at the topic that has been given to us today. How many sessions did you have with us?
Sorry, could you come again, ma'am? What did you say?
Yeah, I'm asking you how many sessions did you have with us?
I think still I don't remember. Maybe I think 15 session I have done it. More than 15 session I think.
Okay, all right. So what do you think? Are you improving in your communication skills?
Yeah, I improve, ma'am. But yeah, but I need more means. I need more practice. I think.
What are you doing to work on your English communication skills?
I have some friends, so I do practice with them. Yeah.
I think like most of the speakers might have suggested you about reading and watching. Have you tried that?
Yeah, only 15 minutes every day I read one book, 15 and 10 minutes only.
Okay, what about learning new words every day?
Means I learn some vocabulary little bit. I collect some vocabulary that time. Yeah.
You collect from vocabulary as in you collect from dictionary.
What?
How do you collect your words? How do you pick your words? Where do you pick your words from?
I collect that word in the book, ma'am. In that book which I have read. Mhm.
And how many words do you tend to learn in a day?
Means there's no any limit, ma'am. But one and two the word I read. Yes, I study about.
Okay, and do you
I have
watch
noticed.
anything?
What?
Do you watch anything?
Yeah, I watch videos. Means movies, English movies. I watch
Mm-hmm.
as well as collect. I also collect from their vocabulary.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. You're trying to say something in between? You want to say
No,
something?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So, it's like since this is a 15th session, I think that you should modify yourself a little in the way that you're practicing.
Mhm.
Okay. Firstly, it's like if in case you're watching something, maybe what you can do is like you can repeat along whatever the person or the speaker is saying in the video. If you're watching a series or if in case you're listening to the podcast, then you can repeat after whatever the speaker is saying. You can pause the video or as audio and repeat. It should help you with the pronunciation part as well as the fluency part. It's important that you improve your pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am.
And words, all right, words, you're picking up words from the book, and this it is a good thing. So I won't say anything about the words, but as far as your communication skills are concerned, you can try mimicking the speakers. That should be a good way, a good extracurricular activity for us to work on your English.
All right. So mimicry is a good part, ma'am. If I will in some, how we will mimicry? Can you give me example like?
Mimicry, as in, I'm not saying that you have to mimic the actor completely. You don't have to bring the expression and all. I'm just saying that repeat after whatever the speaker is saying. For example, if in case you're watching a video, all right, the video consists of a particular scene wherein the actor is like talking to someone. So you can just try to watch that part, pause the video, and just repeat after whatever the actor has.
Okay.
Okay. Then see whether your pronunciation, through fluency, and everything matches up with the actor has said. In case it doesn't match, then keep on saying unless and until you get it right.